Okay, welcome to week number 3. Good morning, good afternoon, whenever you're viewing this. This week, we're going to focus on the rooms division in hotel operations. And so I've split it out into front of house and housekeeping, as well as safety and security or loss prevention. It should be noted that some of the organizational charts that I have in here are for a standard size hotel, but really the configurations are limitless depending on the size and scope of the hotel that you have that we talked about a little bit last week. So in addition to that, I have some videos. Sometimes it's more fun to watch what not to do. So you'll see that, as well as a challenge in housekeeping with communicating to those that maybe you don't speak the same common language. And so it's a wordless video just for you to see a little snippet of that. And then some formulas. I know some of my students in the past have said, math, why the math? But it is really important to understand the concepts of the rooms division and how to calculate some of those formulas. Also, it's a good check-in time to think about career opportunities. And so, there are career opportunities in hotels in front of house, front desk, maybe concierge if the hotel has that type of service, guest services, which would be, kind of like a bell attendant, that brings luggage up. It could go into ancillary areas as well as business center, greeter, things like that. Housekeeping, you have a variety of different roles and responsibilities in housekeeping, including laundry, and then safety and security or loss prevention, depending on what they call it, and some varying positions in there. And so I hope you enjoy learning about those typical hotel kind of positions. Also, there are some analytical roles. Smith Travel Research puts out a report called the STAR Report, which is very impactful for hoteliers who are looking at how they're doing against the competition. And that Smith Travel Research is a pretty industry standard on how to compare and see if you're winning or losing market share. So I wish you a good week ahead learning about the rooms division. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know. Thank you.